It's Hot for Food approved on the road once again, and we're at IKEA because IKEA has many vegan items I've never tried. I didn't even know about it. I'm at the Burbank location, of course. I'm in California, so these things may or may not be available where you are, but let's go straight to the little marketplace and the bistro and see what we can find. $1 strawberry cone. A little bit like a sorbet. Whoa. I'm not really a sorbet fan, but this is actually really tasty. It's very fruity, slushy taste. Hot for Food approved. Well, that was the fastest trip to IKEA I've ever had. I just went straight to the little grocery area. Bummer though, because they were out of the vegan caviar. I have no clue what that's made out of, but I asked and they don't have it. And then in the restaurant, in the upstairs, they normally have vegan chocolate mousse. Also weren't serving that today. And then you can't get the meatballs to go because they come with the gravy that's not vegan. So I just bought them all frozen. So here's all the stuff I got in the little shop area, the Swedish food market. Truthfully, I didn't even think there was this many things that were accidentally vegan. So I'm gonna prepare the frozen veggie dog, the plant-based alternative meatballs, and the veggie balls. I don't know what the difference is. Well, there is a difference. One looks more vegetable, the other one looks more like a Beyond Meatballs or something like that. So I'm gonna prepare all these and then we'll try these like other little snacky items on their own. So let's cook these up and we'll taste everything. I've never tried any of these things. Even before, I never tried these vegetable balls. And then I think they served this hot dog at the like to-go food place, but there was a huge lineup and I didn't want to wait for it, so I'm pretty sure these are the exact same things. So I'm just gonna eat it like without a bun and all that stuff. So it says to pan fry 2 of them and bake 1 of them. These are, I'm gonna say all the Swedish names. Festligt. Bring flavor to the party. Potato chips with sour cream and onion flavor. Yes, these are accidentally vegan, which is crazy. There was also a plain version, but obviously who cares about plain ones? So these look nice. Oh yeah. Yeah, these are good. It's not an overwhelming sour cream and onion. It's there for sure. It's not overwhelming. Hot for Food approved. IKEA accidentally vegan sour cream and onion chips. I bought this elderflower drink concentrate. It's non-alcoholic. Dryck Flader. Dryck Flader. Because I'm not really drinking right now, and I thought this would be nice for the summer to make like mocktails with, because I really like Saint Germain, which is elderflower liqueur, but I'm sure it's delicious. They also have blueberry drink concentrate and they had rhubarb, which I thought would be nice, a rhubarb one, but I like elderflower. So this I'm not gonna try right now, but I'm sure it's great. Curious about the Kafferep shortbread cookies with natural raspberry flavored filling. Actually, all these cookies here on the shelf were accidentally vegan. Of course, they're not good for you by any means, but these are an interesting little shape. Anyone picking up what I'm putting down there? So the shortbread is made from vegetable shortening, not butter. They're pretty good. The texture is good. I would say these are good. Would I go out of my way to buy them? Probably not. For me to buy cookies store-bought, they have to be really good. Now these are just simple. These are just fried crispy onions. I don't think I want to open them because they'll go stale before I have a chance to use them. But these are great salad toppers, pasta toppers, anything. So I just bought these because I saw them. There's obviously nothing that's not vegan in them. So good little accessory. Again, not gonna open these because I'm sure we know what they're like and I don't want them to go stale. So check that out. I don't know what this is supposed to be. Skorpor Kardemumma. Skorpor Kardemumma. Cardamom crisp rolls. Oh, I forgot to say that fried onion. Rostad Lok. Rostad Lok. Forgive me if I'm butchering these names. Cardamom crisp rolls I thought just sounded delightful. Love me some cardamom. Oops. They're very cardamom-y. They're just like dry baguettes. Whoa! The cardamom is clearly there, which I like, but then the bread's a little stale, but obviously. I don't know what you're supposed to eat this with. A little bit of vegan cheese, a little bit of vegan caviar would have been great. I don't know what to do with these now. I'll just eat them with cheese, I guess. Okay, let's go with the veggie meat stuff here. Ooh. Okay, so these are the Huvudroll, the plant-based alternative meatball based on textured pea protein. And the Korvmoj, the veggie dog. Now the veggie dog is a little skinny if you ask me. I think that the veggie dog is the same as the vegetable meatball. Like it looks like it's the same. No, the vegetable dog is disappointing. So salty. No, that's disappointing. You know, I'll eat them, I'll crumble them up and put them on a grain bowl or something, but they're not, no, those aren't good. Okay, the inside of these plant-based meatballs look really good. They look like pork. Oh, these are interesting. Oh, these are good. I gotta make a gravy for those. Okay, these with like vegan egg noodles and like a gravy, like Swedish meatball gravy. I'm gonna come up with that gravy and then I'll share that with you and then make a video. Okay, Huvudroll, yes. Worth the drive to IKEA for those. Really juicy. Pea protein, oil, potato, binder mix, crumbs, rice flour. Are these gluten-free? These might be gluten-free, although it doesn't say. So, mushroom concentrate, dried apple, pea starch, methylcellulose, onion, oat bran, allspice, black pepper. Wow. These are good. These might be my new favorite like meat thing. So these come in a way smaller bag than the vegetable balls. These should come in a way bigger bag. You know, I really like the Beyond Meat meatballs, but I really like the size of these. These are smaller than the Beyond Meatballs. And I think I like them better. These are really good. They nailed these. Huvudroll, totally hot for food approved. Holy crap. I really wish you could get that as a meal in the restaurant. It's totally vegan. Here's the vegetable balls, everybody. Why would you sell these if you sell those other ones? These are also called Huvudroll. That doesn't make sense. No. It's like they just mashed a bunch of frozen vegetables together. No. No, don't sell these. Nobody wants these. Okay, these are better than the hot dog. They're different. Yeah, hot dog's the worst. Then these, and then obviously the other ones are amazing. I don't see the point of having both though. I don't understand why these ones come in a bigger bag. These are definitely tastier. I mean, obviously buy the other ones. The smaller bag, the pea protein one. That's my IKEA feast. Like I said, we missed out on a couple of key items. If you try any of these other vegan IKEA grocery products, let me know. That has been another installment of Hot for Food Approved. If you're not subscribed to my new members only platform, which is off of YouTube, it's at members.hotforfoodblog.com. I don't know what you're thinking, but it's a great deal and you get 4 issues of Eat It by Hot for Food a year. Those are like recipe bundles or collections that I'll release on this website. You'll log in to access the content and it will be exclusive to members. It's $41.50 for the year, works out to $3.46 per month. You'll get at least 24 to 26 recipes for the full year, probably more because I'll always over deliver because I'm that kind of overachiever. You'll get 4 live streams a year. You'll get member perks and discounts for Hot for Food approved vegan stuff. I plan on having big giveaways every issue, which you'll automatically be entered in to win if you're an annual member. And if you don't want all those fun things, you can just sign up and get each issue individually of just the recipes. You won't get the live stream access. You won't get the member perks and discounts or giveaways and all that fun stuff. But if you just want recipes, you can buy that as a single serving. I suggest the whole buffet, the whole enchilada, the $41.50 annual membership. Go sign up. The link is below in the description. Would love to see you there. We've got many members already. Fun little community. You also get added to my IG close friends list if you sign up for the annual option. It's lots of fun and it's gonna grow and become my next big thing that I'm putting all my time and effort into, so come join. It's gonna be super fun. It is super fun, it already is. I'll see y'all later. Thank you for watching. Subscribe here. I'll still be releasing videos from time to time, of course, and a huge archive on hotforfoodblog.com of classic vegan comfort food recipes, all from me, all delicious, tried, true, and tested by y'all, the hot for foodies out there. So thanks for supporting. I love you, and I'll see you next time.